mermaid adventure. Click play to start. Hola, soy Dora. Boots and I are on our way to meet my friend Maribel the mermaid, so we can help her get home to Mermaid Cove. But to swim underwater all the way to Mermaid Cove with Maribel, we'll have to use my magic mermaid necklace to transform into Dora the mermaid and Boots the sea monkey. Mira, my necklace is glowing. Click on it and say, Transfórmate! Transfórmate! I'm a mermaid, una sirena. And look at Boots, he's a super fast sea monkey. He's swimming ahead to Maribel. We have to get through the octopus's garden to catch up to Sea Monkey Boots and meet Maribel. Then we need to go through the ocean rocks, and that's how we'll get to Mermaid Cove. Will you help us? Great! Vámonos! Let's go! Press the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard to move me up and down. Press the forward arrow key to make me go faster. Press the space bar to make an underwater wave to keep away pinchy lobsters or move rocks that are blocking our way. And look for sparkly sea gems and starfish along the way. Swim over to them to collect them. You can see how many you've collected here. Are you ready to get started? Great! Here we go! Starfish! Fantástico! Swim over to them! Mira! A sea gem! Lobsters! Langostas! Watch out! Press the space bar to send an underwater wave to keep the lobsters away! A bubble geyser! That will push us off! Way to go! Seaweed! That will slow us down! Excelente! Whoa! Whoa! We're doing great! Whoa! That's amazing! Great! Got it! Got it! That's amazing! That's amazing! Whoa! Great job! We're doing great! Mira, I can see Boots and Maribel! We did it! We made it through Octopus's garden and found Boots and Maribel! But before we can go through the ocean rocks, we have to help Boots! Those snappy clams are tickling his tail! To help get the snappy clams off Boots' tail, click on the clams when they're open. But you have to be quick. Ready? Oops, oops. Here's one. Fantastic, muy bien. We're doing great. Excelente. That's amazing. Got it. You did it. You clicked on all the snappy clams. Now we can go through the ocean rocks to Mermaid Cove. Our whale friend is going to help us. Remember, press the space bar to send an underwater wave to move rocks that are blocking our way. Vámonos! Let's go! Great job! Uh-oh! A whirlpool! Use the arrow keys to move me up and down. A water current! It'll make us go faster! Uh-oh! A whirlpool! water current. It'll make us go faster. Great! Way to go! A water current! It'll make us go faster! Excelente! Mira, I can see Mermaid Cove! We made it to Mermaid Cove! Hooray! Thanks for helping! And thanks to our friend the whale! Look, Maribel's mommy is here!
Hola, bienvenidos! Soy Dora! Today is the beach cleanup treasure hunt. That's when we work together to clean up the Playa Verde beach. And while we're cleaning up, we also get to search for gold coins that our mommies and papis hid in the sand. Want to join our team and help? Fantastico! Let's look for things buried in the sand to see if we can recycle them. We can recycle things like newspaper, bottles, and cans so that they can be used again. To see what's under a mound of sand like this one, click it 3 times. Go ahead and try it now. We found something. Great job. Let's recycle it. Let's look for something else to recycle. Hey, that's not a recyclable. That belongs on the beach. Mira, look at that turtle. He's trying to take our gold coins. Perfecto! 5 more coins to add to our collection. Let's clean up the beach. Vámonos! More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. A can. We just found something else to recycle. 5 more coins to add to our collection. A milk jug. Fantastico. All right, a gold coin. Un cangrejo ermitaño. Hello, hermit crab. Un cangrejo ermitaño. Hello, hermit crab. Watch out for la tortuga. Muy bien. 5 gold coins to add to our collection. Look over here. More coins to add to our collection. A water bottle. Muy bien. Pablo, way to go green while looking for gold. Vamos, let's get this beach clean. All right, a gold coin. A cereal box. Excelente. A newspaper. We got one. More coins to add to our collection. A tire. Fantastico. 5 more coins to add to our collection. Un cangrejo. Hello, crab. All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. Un cangrejo. Hello, crab. 5 more coins to add to our collection. A can. We just found something else. Go Alana! We make a great beach cleaning team. Wow, that is a clean beach. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. A can. Muy bien. Un cangrejo ermitaño. Hello, hermit crab. A juice box. Fantastico. I think that should stay on the beach. A newspaper. Excelente. 5 more coins to add to our collection. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. A cereal box. We got one. Nice job, Emma. We'll get this beach cleaned in no time.
Hola, Dora.
Mariana, those turtles took our gold coins.
La Sirena Mala, the greatest mermaid in the ocean, has been sending her turtles to take everyone's gold to her treasure room. We need to follow them and get back your gold.
I can use the necklace you gave me to transform into a mermaid. Transformate! Uh-oh, an octopus guard. It's going to be hard to get past all those arms.
Dora, the octopus guard loves to dance. When he dances, he moves his arms, and then we can swim past.
Buena idea! Our sea creature friends can help us make a song to get the octopus guard dancing. Each sea creature makes its own special sound. Click the sea creatures to complete the pattern and play the song.
Great! Let's get that octopus guard dancing.
The pattern is sea snail, seahorse, seahorse, sea snail, seahorse, seahorse, sea snail. What comes next? Excelente! Let's finish this pattern. All right, you completed the pattern.
Wow, he's looking even happier.
The pattern is hermit crab, pufferfish, hermit crab, hermit crab, pufferfish, hermit crab, hermit crab. Click on the sea creatures that come next.
Woohoo!
Let's finish this pattern. Excelente! We did it! He's dancing! Now we can pass by! We made it past the octopus guard and into La Sirena Mala's treasure room.
Dora, look at all the gold La Sirena Mala has stolen. We must get the gold back to its rightful owners. But how can we do it?
Ya lo sé! Just wait for the clamshells to open. If you see something gold inside, click it. Woohoo! Remember, we're looking only for the gold treasures. That's not gold. Don't click on it. Ready? Let's get that gold. Good one.
You got it!
Muy bien. Uh-oh, it's La Sirena Mala. She's trying to stop us from getting the gold back.
She's stirring up the water and mixing everything up.
Click on her to make her stop. That was a close one. Good one.
You got it!
Good one. Buen trabajo.
Oh no, she's back! Click on her before she messes up everything! Click on her before she messes up everything!
Fantástico. Excelente! We got all the gold items. Thanks for helping. Yeah, we got all our gold back. Great teamwork.
I wish I could be on a team.
Sirena Mala, do you promise to be nice and work together with friends and not take other people's treasure?
Yes, yes I do. I promise, I promise. Yoo-hoo, turtles. Please take back all the gold to its rightful owners.
And from now on, we'll call you La Sirena Buena. Excelente!